Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car there's the half leather interior. You also get the touchscreen that features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's also some nice safety features including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. On top of these you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. It's got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine. It gives you 120 horsepower and it has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done 17,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.